What are you? Sit back, please. What are you doing, Noelle? Stay sitting. You're on a boat ride. I think Cora's liking it too. Hi, Cora.
Oh no,
Wow, water. Stay sitting. Yes, hold on. You're right. Hold on tight. Water, water. Woo! Yeah. That's right. Cora, how's your boat ride? How's your boat ride? Remember we said we have to sit, okay? Look around, we might see animals. I don't know, look around.
What's that?
What do you see?
Oh, what's that? What is that?
You hear that bell? Yeah, I don't know what it is. What do you see if you look around?
Ooh, ooh.
Cora. Woo, there goes her hat. Hi, Cora. Don't!
Why?